vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction, it is a type of asexual reproduction. The new plants are genetically identical to their parents. Here in the vegetative reproduction, that is artificial method of vegetative reproduction, that is cutting, budding, grafting, tissue culture. These are the different methods of artificial vegetative reproduction. In the cutting, this type of reproduction is done in the economically important plants. Those plants cannot produce the viable seeds. For example, apple, pear, grapes. Like these plants, they cannot produce the viable seeds. Seeds are formed, but they are not viable. Hence, the reproduction is done by different methods: cutting, budding, grafting, tissue culture, etc. Okay? How the cutting is done? In the cutting, the suitable plant part, that is stem or root, is selected on which the buds are present. Buds are essential, and this part is inserted in the soil. A simple method of vegetative reproduction. Here on the cutting, the buds are essential. Then budding, this type of method of asexual reproduction is done plants like rose. गुलाबामध्ये साधारणतः ही पद्धती it is found done in every plant, but majority, that is in mango or rose, budding type of asexual reproduction is to be done. Grafting, here two plant parts are selected, that is a rooted plant part. Suppose this is the grafting, and in the grafting the rooted plant part is called the stalk, and on which the plant is fitted. Selected plant is fitted disease resistant variety or evolved variety is fit on the stalk, is called scion. रोगाला बळी न पडणारी, चांगलं उत्पादन देणारी अशा प्रकारची एखादी फांदी स्टॉकवरती बसवली जाते, याला आपण सायन असं म्हणतो. हिअर grafting is done in dicot plants only. In monocot plant, grafting is not done because there is no cambium in the monocot plants. Hence, only in dicot plant, grafting is done. You know cambium? In this way, the grafting is done in the dicot plant. Tissue culture method, any plant part, that is root, leaf or stem, single cell or tissue is taken and it grow in the laboratory on artificial nutrient medium and develop a new plant, clones. In this way, they can reproduces asexually. Here question is asked on this point, that is which is the simple method, easy method in the vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is a asexual type of reproduction. Cutting, grafting, budding, tissue culture. Out of these, which method is very easy to cultivate the plants? Here, the cutting is a very simple method in the vegetative reproduction, because in the budding or in the grafting, in tissue culture, there is some process is required, but in cutting, the only plant part is taken and it insert in the soil is the process of asexual reproduction. Hence, it is very easy to cultivate the plants. अशा पद्धतीनं आपल्याला याच्यावरती जर प्रश्न विचारला तर सिंपल प्रश्न त्याचं उत्तर आपल्याला या पद्धतीनं सांगता येईल की कटिंग ही जी पद्धती आहे ही पद्धती सर्वात सोपी पद्धती आहे रिप्रोडक्शन करण्यासाठी. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Here sexual reproduction, it is also called the amphimixis. Amphimixis. Amphi means both, mixis means mixing. Amphi, both, mixis means mixing. Sex organs are fused together, mixed together, and a reproduction is done. It is called sexual reproduction. In this reproduction, fusion of gametes takes place. Fusion of gametes takes place. In the sexual reproduction, fusion of gametes, meiosis takes place because it is biparental. Meiosis takes place because it is biparental process. Biparental process, ही जी प्रोसेस आहे ही प्रोसेस कशी आहे? बायपॅरेंटल प्रोसेस आहे. या प्रोसेसमध्ये both male and female gametes, both male and female parents are take part. Hence, the reproduction takes place. It is sexual. No production of genetically identical individuals. No production of genetically identical individuals. Genetically identical individuals are not formed in this method of sexual reproduction. Sex organs are formed. Sex organs are formed. Evolutionary point of reproduction, that is sexual reproduction, is significant to evolutionary point. Sexual reproduction is significant for evolutionary point. There is the new one is produced because fusion of gametes, because there is a formation of meiosis is takes place and exchange of genetic material. Because of this, there is the new one is produced. You know that all the family members are not similar. आपल्या घरातील प्रत्येक व्यक्ती याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी बदल असतो, नाही का. आपण जर मांजराची पिल्लं बघितली त्यांच्यामध्ये फरक दिसतो. असं का होतं? देर इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज टेक्स प्लेस. हेन्स द डिसिमिलॅरिटी मीन्स थोडासा वेगळेपणा आपल्याला इंडिव्हिज्युअल्समध्ये बघायला मिळतो. मग आपल्याला याच्यावरती जर प्रश्न विचारला, which method is significant in the evolutionary point, आहे की नाही. आणि मग पर्याय याच्यामध्ये काही देऊ, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या पर्याय दिल्या जातील, पण आपल्याला यामध्ये करेक्ट आन्सर शोधायचं आहे की सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ही जी पद्धती आहे ही इव्हॉल्युशनरी पॉईंट ही सिग्निफिकंट आहे. In which type of reproduction meiosis takes place? In the sexual reproduction, meiosis is occur. Here, gamete formation, sex organs are formed. That is, sex organs and gametes are formed by meiosis. Meiosis मुळे gametes हे तयार होतात. म्हणजे meiosis या ठिकाणी होत असतं. म्हणून आपल्याला सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनमध्ये मिओसिस होतं हे सांगता येईल. असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनमध्ये मिओसिस होत नाही, तर त्या ठिकाणी मायटॉसिस होत असतं. ओके.